Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get a car dealer license in Virginia. So the first step is to determine which type of license you need. In Virginia, there are two types, independent dealer and franchise dealers. Alright, so the next thing is you need to obtain a permanent business location. So your location must not be residential and must have at least 250 square feet of your dealership. Right. So it needs space to display at least 10 vehicles and ensure the office is equipped with essentials like telephones, internet, and utilities. Right. And also other things are must like heating, plumbing, and etc. So your dealership must be open to work uh, at least 20 hours per week and with 10 hours between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. All right, then you need to get the liability insurance and auto dealer bond, the surety bond here. So you will also need like a 50,000 surety bond, and the cost of the bond depends on your personal financial situation, including your credit score. So then you need to complete the licensing course and test. So if you are a new dealer, you must complete a pre-licensing course. The course costs $485 and lasts 2 days. So after completing this course, you must pass the dealer operator and salesperson test, which cost only $50. Then you need like gather some documents before submitting your application. Make sure you have these documents. All right. You quickly. So the documents are listed here. So your certificate of zoning compliance from a local official, a criminal history check or a background check, dealer plate application, application for certificate of qualification slash salesperson license. And then there are some more fees like so you need to pay for the dealer certificate $270 and for motor vehicle transaction recovery fund that's $350 annually for the first 3 years. And like for the first two dealer plates, it will cost you $60. And then for additional each dealer plates, it will cost you $26. And the salesperson license costs $50 per person. Also, the criminal check is probably $10 something. Then, so after you've gathered everything, so where do you submit your application? You can mail your application to this address here. So note down this address. You can pause the video if you need and mail them your documents here. Once you submit your application, the DMV will review it. Afterward, a field representative will conduct an inspection of your location. So if everything checks out, you'll receive your dealer license and can start operating. If not, you have to pay a fee to get re-inspected. And that's all there is to it.